Okay, I'm doing a quick unboxing type thing with my GoPro, just so everybody can see what's in here. This is the manual. You scan that right there in order to get to the app. That's what I did. Now I'm just looking in the box. Let's see what's in here. That's the power cord. This is 4x6 photo paper and 4x6 sticker paper. I think it's 18 of each. Yeah. The ink cartridge. I don't know if you can see that. 18 sheets of photo paper and 18 sheets of sticker paper. So let me get this out of the box. Okay, got it out of the box. There's the plastic and everything. Take everything off. Actually, hold on. Okay, here we go. It's a little shadowy, but either way it goes. I scanned this with my phone, and it went to this, their website, where it says Add Printer. I went to that, and now up here you choose your printer, which is the PixCut S1 photo, and it goes to that. So now I have to turn it on, and hold on, let me plug it in. There's tape everywhere, so y'all don't mind my junk either. This is my craft little desk, so make sure you take all the paper and everything out. Open up the back here. There was tape in here. I took that tape off too. Okay, plug it in right here. And then got my little bar right here. Plug it into my little bar up here. Hopefully I have enough room. If not, something's getting unplugged. I don't know what it is, but something's getting, yep. Okay, something's getting unplugged. Whatever this might be. Okay, now it's unplugged. Because we're going to get this plugged in. There we go. It's plugged in. Okay, we got it plugged in. It says turn on the power button for 3 seconds until the printer turns on. Let's do that. Okay, let's do it again. There we go. We got power. Okay, now I'm gonna hit the next button. That's blinking blue. Up here it says please go to the settings. Open up a Bluetooth page. No, you can read all that. Connect the Bluetooth. Okay. Yeah, let me do that real quick. Okay, you had to go to your settings in your phone and look under Bluetooth, and here's what mine is. That's what connects it, I believe. Yep, it's connected right there. Then you go back to the Liene or Liene, however it is, app, and it'll connect. See, once it turns white, it's connected, and now we're at the app, and it shows all the things on the app. So yeah, the printer is now connected. It's in standby. You can see right up there. I hope you can see it. Oops. Yeah, it's in standby right there. So yeah, and now it's connected. I haven't done anything yet, but it's connected. I just wanted to show how you set it up real quick. Okay, if you click on the up here where it says standby, click on that little arrow. It goes to this, and it shows a little dot right there. So I'm thinking that I need to update the firmware maybe. Yep, firmware update, downloaded, install. Downloading that. Hope y'all can see, because I'm just doing this real quick, just trying to get this information to you, because I know everybody's waiting for theirs and waiting to get it set up and start messing with it. So yeah, make sure you download, download your firmware and update that right after you do this. It's at 52%. So it's working on it. This is blinking while that's updating. That's just FYI. So yeah, I was so surprised to get mine today. I didn't have any notification or anything. It just showed up. Amazon, the Amazon guy called me and said I have a package. I buzzed him in and opened it up. I was like, I don't think I was expecting anything today. Well, it was this. Then I was so happy. You would not believe how happy I was to see this, the Amazon guy, not even knowing I was getting anything, but yeah. So yeah, I'm just filling space talking while this downloads, and I'll be back in a second once it downloads. Okay, it's done and it's installing now. And if anybody else got theirs, let me know. Let me know if Amazon brought it, or if you used my video to help you get it set up, or anything like that. And this is something new for my channel, but like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know. Check out my other videos. Okay, that's updated successfully. You can see that. And let's hit home. And it just took me right back to home. Now it says I'm offline, so let's see what happened. And this is off. So let's see if it restarts on its own, or if I need to restart it. I don't know. We'll see. What does that do? Oh, now it says connect printer, so let me hit the connect. Just have to reconnect it once the firmware's updated, which is not a problem. All I did was hit connect printer. So let's see. Automatic connection to the last used device failed. Manual connection is recommended. Go to system settings. Next. Okay, well, maybe it turned off and I just had to turn it back on. So let's see. Connect printer. Okay, there's that again. I had to reconnect that in my settings. Bluetooth. The blue is usually Bluetooth connection. So let's see. Yep, it's connected right there. We go back to the app, and now it's in standby. Okay, so we're ready, I guess. My thing is green, white again. So yeah, I just wanted to show how I got it set up and got to the app and everything, because that was a big question about the app. I didn't know how to get to it. I just messed around to see what I could do. So yeah, let's see what all comes up. A lot of Christmas stuff still. Let's see what else. Warm wishes. Labels. What else? These are all still Christmas. Come on up. Okay, well, I didn't want to do that because I'm not ready to work on anything. I just wanted to see what all we have in here. Okay, if you hit the plus button, that's what that does. Celebration. Okay, some templates came up. Let's try New Year's. There we go. Okay, you want to do some craft things for the new year coming up. Greeting cards. Labels. We did that already. Education. Print some stickers for your class if you're a teacher or your family members. I have grandsons that really do good in school, so I could print some of those for them. Invitations, birthday, Thanksgiving. There's birthday. And you can add your own photo, it looks like. That's pretty cool. Invitations. Thanksgiving. Let's see what else. What's under my? Oh, there's where you start your own projects if you want, or where things are stored if you. Oh. Is that where you store your own things that you do? Maybe. I don't know. I'm just looking around. See what we see. Water bottle stickers. Meme stickers. Laptop stickers. Come on. Laptop stickers don't want to load. Alright, what do we have anything else? Yeah, let's check out photo frames. There we go. Planner stickers. Those are cool. Where were we? Stickers. Laptop stickers, come on now. Okay, we're gonna save those for later, I guess. Phrases. I still want to see those laptop stickers, but I'm not gonna sit in here and wait that long. Okay. That's enough for me. Okay, but yeah, that's how I got it set up. If you have any questions, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you when I start making things. Okay, I just noticed this too. I went back to my device firmware, and if it's updated, it'll say, note, already updated to the latest version. So yeah, just FYI.